Why microcontrollers? Why did we add microcontrollers to the mix? Well, it's simple. It gives you the edge. Most programmers, and I'll say about 90% of programmers, cannot program microcontrollers. And they can only do things that's on a computer-based, internet-based. That's the type of applications. Granted, there's a lot you can do without knowing microcontrollers. But considering that a microcontroller is the eyes and the ears and the sensing of the outside world, it opens up many projects that you in the past could not have done, or even projects that you could do but now can add additional functionality to. And the crux of all this is microcontrollers are extremely easy to program. You hook it up to Cursor and you give it a master prompt that we will not just show you how to build yourself, but also our own master prompts. And Cursor will take over, program the microcontroller, go through it, look for errors, change the code, go back, upload it until the project runs smoothly and perfectly. So that's why I say microcontrollers are important. Think of it this way: a full stack programmer is not really full stack if it cannot do IoT as well, Internet of Things. And things meaning microcontrollers that you can access and control either via Bluetooth or the internet. In fact, one of the projects in Tier 1 is a full-blown web server that we built on a little microcontroller of 250 Rand, like this one. And you can access it through your web browser, starting things, stopping things, see sensor values, and all kinds of things like that. So it gives you the edge. All right. Do you need to be a fundi in electronics? No, you don't need to know anything about electronics. You need to understand how microcontrollers work. Do you need to do it in this course? No, you don't. You don't have to. You don't have to, but you need to, right? Because you will stand out from 90% of programmers out there that can't use microcontrollers. It is a hard to find skill to find good full stack programmers that can also program microcontrollers. In the old days, and it's not even that old, it's like a year ago, it took weeks upon weeks of struggle, staying up late at night, learning how to program microcontrollers. The last courses we did where we implemented AI was a one-day course that includes working with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So it is crazy how AI enhanced the programming and the learning of microcontrollers. So that's about it. You can skip those sections, but at least with the microcontroller sections, watch the video so you can see what's possible. You can always go back to the microcontroller parts later on if you have something else that you want to tackle, but you'll most definitely stand out if you understand and learn microcontrollers. You don't need to buy a soldering or a solder workstation. You don't need a multimeter. None of that is required. All right. In fact, our upcoming boards includes cameras, AI neural processing, all kinds of things. So you just take the board, connect it to your computer, and Cursor will do all the work for you. So that's it from me. Really consider doing the microcontrollers part, even if it's just going through the videos. Get yourself one of these. I mean, it's 250 Rand, right? Or around there. And you'll be able to build amazing things with this. In tier 2, we're going to again look at microcontrollers, and it can be again skipped, but really you are doing yourself a disadvantage if you're not going to do this part. So I thank you. I'll see you in the next course.